This is picture I made near the biggest river in Europe, Volga. It's very sad to see this trash near the beach. Maybe in your country a similar situation with plastic waste. They are everywhere, they're polluting our nature and the environment. We are changing this situation, and now you can see how it... This is plastic waste which we're using. You can see there are polyethylene film, wrapper, bags, toys, bumper from cars and other plastic from cars, cans and other plastic. In this technology we can recycle all kinds of plastic waste instead of PET bottles and PVC. Firstly, we need a crusher. We have many crushers of different modifications, but today we use this one. Here we throw plastic waste, and from the bottom we are already getting ready plastic raw materials. Special for this video we prepared crushed plastic. For today it will be enough for us. Next one we need a mixer, then extruder and hydraulic press. In our manufacture we have 2 hydraulic presses and 2 extruders. Now I will show you the finished tiles. This tile is thin, without pattern for the footpath. Very nice and strong tile. Much more stronger than concrete tile. Give me another tile. This tile is thicker with the pattern. A car can drive on it. Well, move on. Now we will start manufacture and I show you how all this is done. Okay, everything is ready to work. Green hydraulic press is ready with press form. This type of tile saves underground high voltage electric cables. Extruder launched. Temperature is okay. Gray press also ready with pavement tile press form. Let's check it. Everything is great. Now we fill the extruder with a special mask. For this mask we need sand, plastic and dye stuff. Okay, begin to do this special mask. A small story while the plastic is mixed. We recycle plastic waste since 2003. Now we have a lot of recycling technologies. At the next videos I will show you. Part of them we created, part of them we took existing technologies, upgrade and improve them to get a more economical product. My opinion, if you clean the world from plastic waste, recycling technologies must be economically. Otherwise, we don't have a chance to survive. In Russia, we don't have grants to supporting recycling industry. Okay, we add into the mixer all components what we need. Our mix is ready. We tune the mixer and now we pour it out. You can compare the color of the plastic with dye stuff, and white plastic it's without dye stuff. Ready. We can do tiles with different colors. You just need to add other dye stuff into the mixer and mix it. But today we need brown color. Now we will gradually fill the extruder. In the next batch we will add a little more paint. We start the extruder. Okay. We need to add more mixture, 3 or 4 baskets into the extruder. And as the mixture leaves, we'll add more. You can see how the finished mass comes out. Next we need to weight it. Here we put 1.5 kilograms of plastic mass on each side. Then we pressing it with 32 tons force. In this press form we put 3 kilograms if we want to make pedestrian tiles and 4.5 kilograms for stronger tiles. Wait about 40 seconds until the plastic cools and pulls it out. This pressing tile with 100 tons force. We just cut 40 seconds from this video. You know, 40 seconds it's completely a lot in our fast world. And now you can see how it looks like ready tile. Oh, carefully, it's very hot.
Горячее.
Inscription in Russian: be careful, cable. We begin to slowly clean the extruder. More, we do not add anything to it. You can see extruder almost empty. The next batch of tiles is ready. This stuck because we need to turn on cooling. Okay, take this. Very beautiful and hot tile. By the way, this video we took from our archive. You can see the truck weighs more than 10 tons. Inside it, more than 10 tons of sand. It cars goes on the pavement tile. This tile is more than 8 years old. It is very strong. And if it cleaned, it will be almost like a new one. In a sustainable economy, waste should be recycled preferably an endless number of times and generate revenue at the same time. It's the ideal case. Or when recycling waste, we should not lose money. For example, our tiles can be recycled into tiles or something like this a lot of times. Another condition for recycling waste, we do not have to generate more waste. And this is roof tile and skate, made also from plastic waste. There are our finished houses with tiles. These photos have been sent to me from Canada. You can see what roof tiles they are doing. Very nice. I tried to show useful points from the how we can recycle our waste into something useful. Recycling technologies should be spread around the world. This is one of my goals. When you see this video, share it. Let's everyone see